Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This one is logo design for your business, company or whatever you want. If you want to change it you can, and files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let me now show you how to use it. Okay, once you open Fusion, go on FX Library and folder where you extracted the file. Take the logo design number 1, connect to the media out, wait few seconds to render. After you press number 2 on the keyboard and you will get the picture. So now let's close this and show you what is going on. Click on this and ungroup. After you ungroup, you will get all this. Let's start from the beginning, from the top. This is the background. Go inside the merge. This is the merge where you can add something else if you want. This here is the glow. This top and the bottom here, two glows. If you don't want to use one, you can just disconnect and then you will get only one. And it is animation is done here in the merge, and some effects if you want to add you can. Animation is done in 5 seconds from the beginning to the end. It will rotate one time, and the second glow is the animated also. I did it with ellipses and rectangle, and just added a soft edge, so it's just small parts and you have a glow. If you don't wish to have so intensive glow, you can just turn off or remove the glow, and then you will get just a subtle light. But I like this strong, so I will keep it just like this. And the next one here is just circle. You will see when I disconnect. And the other one is the small light, as you can see. And all this go inside the particle emitters. Particle emitters are for stars. If you wish to disconnect, you can just do like this, and then you will get on the small stars. If you want only larger stars, you just disconnect smaller ones and leave the bigger ones. But need to connect to the background, and then you will get the big stars. So let's just remove, go back everything. Okay, next one here is the eclipse. This is eclipse, so you can just make small dark area in the middle. You can turn it off if you don't want. And next one is the text. You also you can change the font, of course. And on the bottom here is the gradient, because it gives me this nice glow on the corners like this. And everything connect to the media out. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't. follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.